Hello, online learners. If you are watching this, then you did not do well on your review. So you will need to watch this video and correct your review, and you can make it up to a 90 before you take your test, okay? So let's go over it together. We're adding integers with the same sign. When we are adding integers with the same sign, we add and we keep the sign. A positive plus a positive is positive. So positive plus positive is positive. So you're just going to do 8 plus 10 is 18. 15 plus 23 is positive 38. Also, you need to be checking your work with a calculator, because if plugged in correctly, even on your phone, then you should be able to see that these are right or wrong, okay? All right, what is a negative plus a negative? A negative. Negative plus negative is negative. So we're just going to add like normal and then keep the sign. Negative 6 plus negative 4 is negative 10. Negative 26 plus negative 12, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, so it would be negative 38. I'll need to get a calculator. Okay. All right. When adding integers with different signs, you actually are going to be subtracting. You subtract. And then the answer will take the sign of whichever has the most positives or negatives. So I have a negative 6 plus positive 4. Those are different signs. So I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. There are more negatives than positives because 6 has a greater absolute value. It's furthest away from 0. But there's more negatives than positives, so your answer would be negative 2. Now, you can use a calculator to check it. 6 negative, that's how we punch that in, plus 4 equals negative 2. So I check it and I got the right answer. Positive 50 plus negative 40, those are different signs, so we're going to subtract. 54 minus 40 is 14. There are more positives than negatives, so therefore our answer would be positive 14. We're going to check it. 54 plus 40 negative equals positive 14. 16, negative 16 plus 8, there's different signs, so we subtract. There's more negatives than positives, so it's going to be negative 8. Negative 130 plus 63, those are different signs, so we're going to subtract it. The answer is 67. There's more there's more negatives than positives, so therefore your answer is negative. So 130 minus 63. We have to borrow. That becomes a 2. This becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. And then I've got to borrow there. 12 minus 6 is 6. And there's more negatives than positives. Therefore, your answer is negative. Do you want to see it here? 63 plus 130 negative 130 equals negative 67. So check your work on your calculator. All right, remember when subtracting integers, you will keep, change, flip. Okay? So we keep the -8 the same, we change the subtraction to addition, and we flip the +9 to a -9. So now I have -8 plus -9. Well, it's a negative plus a negative, so we're going to add. We get -17. If you're not sure, check it on your calculator. -8 minus 9 equals -17. Okay. Keep, change, flip. So now I have 9 plus 10, +19. Keep, change, flip. So now I have -14 plus +14 equals 0. I forgot to check this other one. So 9 minus 10, then put the negative sign, equals +19. -14 minus -14 equals 0. Keep, change, flip. So now I have 5 plus -10. Those have different signs. So we subtract and get -5 because there's more negatives than positives. 5 minus 10 equals -5. Okay, so that's subtracting integers. Now multiplication or division. If we are multiplying or dividing, if they have the same signs, your answer will be positive. So -5 times -4, those are the same signs, so we multiply and our answer is positive. We're not sure. -5 times -4, +20. +72 divided by +9 is +8. If there's different signs, then your answer will be negative. -16 divided by +4. Different signs, so your answer will be negative. 16 divided by 4 is -4. Different signs, 3 times -2 is going to be a negative answer because they have different signs. 3 times 2 is 6. So, looking at this, I just remembered that you online did not get these. So I think what I'll do is repost the review with this video, and I want you to redo the review, and then I'll post this so that you can practice, and then we'll just take our test next week instead of tomorrow. Okay? Reach out to me if you have any questions, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.